Let's talk about the secret to a long, happy life. It might just be this Japanese concept, Ikigai.
So what is that big secret? Well, the answer could be waiting for us on a small island in Japan.
Get this, in Okinawa, the number of people living past 100 is way above the global average.
And it's not just about the food or the weather. Researchers believe their secret is something much deeper.
They call it Ikigai, and it basically means your reason for getting up in the morning.
This idea is so important, they don't even really have a word for retirement like we do.
So how do you find your purpose? Turns out, Western psychology has a similar idea called logotherapy.
Unlike psychoanalysis, logotherapy isn't about your past. It's all about finding purpose for your future.
Japan also has its own practice, Morita therapy. It's about finding meaning through action, not just thought.
The steps are simple. Accept your feelings, do what you should be doing, and your purpose will follow.
And when you're working on that purpose, something really cool can happen. You can actually achieve flow.
You know that feeling when you're so into what you're doing that nothing else seems to matter?
You find flow in that perfect sweet spot. Not too easy that you're bored, not too hard that you're anxious. But here's the catch. You have to focus on one thing. Our brains just aren't built to multitask. Focusing on one task boosts your creativity. Trying to juggle everything? Yeah, that just kills it. This mix of purpose and intense focus is a huge part of life in the world's blue zones. Their secrets include a healthy diet, daily movement, a clear purpose, and really strong social connections.
In Okinawa, they have these groups called moai. They're like a built-in support system for life.
And it's not just their social lives. Even their diet has a secret, and it's pretty simple.
Hara hachibu. It means stop eating when you're about 80% full. It's way easier on your body.
So you see, it all comes together. Purpose, flow, and mindfulness. That's the real art of Ikigai.
Which leaves us with one final big question for you. What's your Ikigai?